Man, what's going on, everyone? Today is July 18, 2021. We are HFN, also HueFin News. That's what we're known by. We give you all the news according to the charts, right? If you haven't realized it yet, if you're new to our channel, our main premise is to get in position and win in this space. We don't care less about a person's expertise on technical indicators because it's pointless. Technical indicators are useless. They have no business being on people's price charts because when you see them, they give you confusion. And everyone who utilizes technical analysis just listens to what they say. When they start giving you, oh, it could go higher, but it could also go down, or we might just trade sideways, that is clear indication that these individuals do not know what they're talking about. Just tell me, where do you think the price is going to go? Higher, lower? So that we can get prepared and get in position, and at least give us a heads up, right? Majority of everyone gives you reactionary videos after a price has already moved. Therefore, you're behind the 8-ball, which makes us lose more often than not. We need to get ahead of the 8-ball. We need to get ahead of the trap so that we can get in position and win. You have to. Because if you don't, you will always be reactionary to these price movements. And then you always wonder why the market is never going in your favor. And this is why you always think that the market is manipulated, but yet and still people still come in and participate. If you know the market is manipulated and it's not in your favor, why would you even come in and try to make money then? Don't participate. Go somewhere else that you know you have a competitive advantage and win. Right? That's the best outcome for you. Why would you come into a competition knowing that the outcome is not positive in your favor? That's pointless. But if you want to join us, we're here. The doors are open. Hit the like button, share, and also subscribe to the channel, because what we do, we win in this space. And we do it in a way that's not confusing. It's just plain and simple. Take a look. DraftKings. Last time we did our video on DraftKings was on June the 17th. And we played a strength into the market in DraftKings. Now, we wasn't overly bullish, right? You'll see other YouTube channels out here that's telling you that DraftKings gets a buy and it's going to 10x and 100x your money, and you're going to double your money in DraftKings, and it never comes to fruition, right? And when it doesn't come to fruition, they tell you, oh, now it's a long-term trend. Now it's a long-term outlook. Oh, now it is. Yeah, once the market comes back down, and you see that your overall prediction did not come to pass, you're telling people that the market is going to 10x and 100x and double your money. And in the end, it don't happen. Then you become a long-term holder, wishing and waiting for the market to come back up in price. Take a look right here. Okay. We already had the area to where the market in DraftKings would see some selling. That's why we didn't tell people who watched our video back on June the 17th to expect the price to come up to $70 or even $75. We didn't tell our people that. We told our people to expect some selling to come in around 54. And take a look right there. July the 1st is where the market topped out on our ultimate restriction price. How did you know that? Once you understand the markets, you can do this for yourself, right? You can. 9.44%. We wasn't greedy. We wasn't telling everyone that you can 10x, 100x your money. No, we just said you get about 9.44% out the market, and then you move on and find another play. Congratulations to you if you was able to do that. If not, let's see what the market has in store for us in DraftKings now, because we need to talk about something. Take a look at where the market closed on Friday. We closed right there around $43.75. Uh-oh, that is support. We already identified that area is going to be crucial. So going forward, what do you think the chances are that the market in DraftKings is going to come down to 40 or even back down to 36? The longer time frame will give us more evidence. So let's check it out real quick. All right, so this is the 3-day time frame right here. Okay, yeah, the market is weak, right? We're not here to rub your emotions to make you all happy and feel good. It is what it is. DraftKings, okay, if you were to just to take a look, what do you think? Are we in a downtrend? Long term? So I'm gonna get rid of this horizontal line right here because I'm already expecting the market's not going to hold that. Okay. This is what I'm looking at right there around 40. Okay. Now we're going to hold this downtrend. Okay. In the market in DraftKings. It is what it is. You and I can't change the outlook of price direction in the market in DraftKings. If we could, we'll tell everyone where the price is going to go. Everyone be there and we win, right? But we can't do that. So we got to get ahead of the game. We got to get ahead of everyone else. This is the weekly. The 5-day time frame in DraftKings. Yeah, we can still see the price go lower. What do you think? 40? Maybe even 30. Weekly. Yep, the market is still giving us some indications of weakness here. Cool. What about on the 2 weeks? Yep, still seeing that weakness here on the chart. Right? So much so that $40 is not really a problem. You can see 36 in the market in DraftKings of reaching. Okay. So our first area of restriction is going to be around 48. That's the first area. Second area is around 51. Okay. Now $40 is where we're going to take some profitability off the table. That's about 8.61% right there. Right? We're not being greedy. We're here to make money. Everyone is in these markets to make money. We're not falling in love with these stocks. We're not falling in love with these companies. We're here to make money. We're here to deploy our resources to bring in more resources for us. It's just, that's it. So if you're emotional, if you want to get married to these stocks, these companies, then we're not for you. So we're looking at $40 back down to around 36 in DraftKings, just right there. Based off of what these price bars is giving us, based off the downtrend that DraftKings is showing us. We're not going to buck the trend. We're going to follow the market. And this is what it's trying to tell us. Okay. So until we see this market price in DraftKings break this downtrend line, okay, the market's anticipated to continue to go lower in price. Okay. So this is that area that we're going to focus in on right here. This is the area of profitability right there. Okay. So that's it. It's just that easy, just that simple. Now you can get your time back. You don't have to watch 15, 20, 35 minutes worth of video of someone trying to give you a technical analysis about where the market is going to go. And in the end, you're no better off than when you first clicked on the video. Join us. We're here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. And as I always say, make sure you maintain a profitability, trade different. Peace.